We know that a gradual increase in temperatures this past spring prevented a lot of flooding, but Utah still has some spots with damage. This week, federal assessors are now trying to figure out how much.
News specialist Alex Cabrero joins us live with the story tonight. And Alex, if there's enough damage, Utah could actually get some federal funds to help pay for these repairs.
The damage must be to public infrastructure. Ashley, more than half of Utah's counties had some type of flood damage from this past spring. Now, we're all grateful it wasn't worse, but was it enough to qualify for a federal disaster declaration?
It's still hard to believe, even for Kaysville's public works director, who saw it with his own eyes.
Those first few days, I think everybody was just trying to wrap their head around it.
Orchard Ridge Lane in Kaysville looks normal now. But this is what it looked like just 3 months ago, when heavy spring runoff eroded the dirt under the road, causing it to buckle and forcing families nearby to evacuate their homes. Kaysville city leaders are now wondering if there was enough damage to get federal money to help pay for repairs.
So the big question is, what's going to count as eligible?
It's a question the Federal Emergency Management Agency is trying to answer. This week, FEMA assessors are looking at places in Utah damaged by floods to see if Utah qualifies for federal money.
They've selected 3 counties. We had 16 counties that had damages, but due to time constraints, due to staffing, they really focus in on the large dollar amount damages.
Those 3 counties are Salt Lake, Utah, and Wasatch. The threshold to meet is $5.8 million in damage to public infrastructure.
Oftentimes when we have disaster events, we're never quite sure. We think we might be at the thresholds, but we have to verify a lot of that, work with them to say, yeah, this falls into FEMA's wheelhouse, this doesn't.
It's what Kaysville is waiting for to see if the state qualifies overall, and if so, if some of that money will come to Kaysville. But if not, the repairs had to be done anyway.
We kind of went into that assuming the worst case. Let's assume we never get any of this back, but it's got to happen.
Those FEMA assessors will be here in Utah through the week. We should have an answer on if Utah meets that threshold sometime in the next couple of months. Ashley?
Yeah, those assessors will be busy. Important work there. Alex, thank you.